Hello friends, welcome to Let's Study. Today in this video we will discuss the second part of transformation of sentences. I have earlier uploaded the video of transformation of sentences and the video was affirmative to negative sentences and how to transform the affirmative sentence to negative one. So come to this slide, and here are some rules after the first video. Rules of transformation. Rules with examples. Here I have given some examples with the rules. I have already discussed the first rule with you, and on the first rule I have told you to use opposite word to make negative sentences. Here in the second rule you can see sometimes the double negative meaning expressing words are used to transform the affirmative sentence into negative. So double negative যুক্ত কিছু ওয়ার্ডস ব্যবহার করা হয় নেগেটিভ বাক্য করার জন্য। অ্যাফার্মেটিভ থেকে নেগেটিভ বাক্য করার জন্য কিছু ডবল নেগেটিভ ওয়ার্ডস ইউজ হয়। Let's come to the example and say it. I love you. So it is the example of affirmative sentence, that is হ্যাঁবাচক বাক্য. And what will be the negative form of the sentence? The negative form of the sentence is obviously here I have done. I am not without love of you. So not plus without equal to double negative. It is double negative, suggests a double negative meaning, and this very words refers, and these very words not plus without refers an affirmative sense, that is the above sentence is can be made out of these two words. So come to the next examples I have worked out for you. Every rose has thorn, that is প্রতিটা গোলাপেরই কাঁটা আছে. There is no rose without thorn. So কাঁটাহীন গোলাপ নেই, তার মানে কি কাঁটাহীন গোলাপ কাঁটাহীন নয়. So thornless, not thornless. Not thornless meaning not thornless. It is the double negative word, and double negative equal to positive, that is rose has thorn. So come to the next slide, and the next example I have here given. Every man is suffering from travel. So what will be the negative form of the sentence? The negative form of the sentence will be there is no man who does not suffering from travel. No man plus does not double negative equal to positive, that is the above sentence can be formed out of these negative words. So come to the next rule, that is rule number third, and here what is told, using the verb to fail or omitting the verb to fail, you can make an affirmative sentence into a negative one. Here is given an example. He caught the ball. He caught the ball. So it is in the first tense, the sentence is in the first tense and in affirmative sentence. So what will be the negative form of the sentence? The negative form of the sentence will be he did not fail to catch the ball. So you can use fail to make a negative sentence, and sometimes you can omit or remove fail to make a negative sentence. As for example, here I have given some examples for you. I failed to solve the problem. So what will be the negative form of the sentence? The negative form of the sentence will be in this way: I did not solve the problem. So fail to solve means ব্যর্থ হয়েছিলাম প্রবলেমটা সলভ করতে। So it means that I did not solve the problem. আমি প্রবলেমটা সলভ করতে পারি না। I failed to comment on her beauty. So what will be the negative sentence of the above sentence? This affirmative sentence can be changed into its negative form in this way: I did not comment on her beauty. Failed to comment means did not comment in the negative sense. So come to the next rule, that is rule number 4. And here I have pointed out that if only is used in the assertive sentence, sorry, it is in affirmative sentence, affirmative. So if only is used in the affirmative sentence, then it will be changed into non-what in the negative sentence. So in the negative sentence, the only that is used in the affirmative sentence to make an affirmative sentence, it is transformed into non-what when we make a negative sentence. Let's come and see the example, and I think you can better understand with the examples. So here are some examples I have provided for you. Only the teenagers will get the chance to participate in the game. So only the teenagers, কেবলমাত্র teenagersরাই will get the chance to participate in the game. গেমটাতে চান্স করতে, গেমটাতে পার্টিসিপেট করার জন্য চান্স পাবে। So what will be the negative form of the affirmative sentence? The negative form of the above affirmative sentence can be transformed in this way: none but. So none but, only equal to none but, only equal to none but. Simply you can remember this: only equal to none but in the affirmative, in the negative sentence. If the affirmative sentence begins with only, then in the negative sentence it will be changed into none but. So you can see the next example: only the lady can solve it. None but the lady can solve it. Here is the picture. So if you get the benefit from this channel, then like my video and please stay with me to support me in my journey, and please subscribe it, like and share the video, and you can share it in any other platform with your friends, and press the bell icon to get a notification, to get further notification, ताकि whenever I will upload any videos, you will get notification sooner. And please friends, good night, stay with me, and good night, bye bye, thank you. And in the next slide I will turn off with another video of the same series. Thank you, bye bye.